everybody, this is Hazel, and for today's video, what I will gonna do is I will share to you some engaging instructional materials that I use in Activity A that might be helpful for future teachers in teaching. And also, I will explain it to you why it is very important in delivering the lesson effectively in the classroom. In objective of learning, a teacher must be aware of all their students' abilities when what materials used in their lesson. So the objectives will be vary from students to students depending on their abilities and benchmarks set in. So this time, I will going to share to you what are the instructional materials that I prepared for my lesson. So since the objective of my lesson is students will be able to identify the proper noun and the common noun. So I'll show them a picture. A picture can accelerate understanding. There is a significant impact on the learner when a visual aid is connected to verbal explanation. It actually speeds up the learning process. And according to the 3M Corporation, the brain processes visual information 60,000 times faster than text. I've also prepared a visual aid and I use Manila paper. And if you are wondering why I use Manila paper, it is because no matter how advanced the technology may be in the future, it is always essential to use traditional media alongside with digital technology. And the two media properly integrated will surely maximize the student's potential and minimize the burden/workload for educators. I've also prepared quiz and worksheets because quiz and worksheets can help you evaluate the knowledge of levels of education where teachers need to know things about their students, the characteristic of a learner-centered classroom, and important aspects that the teachers need to know about their student. Whiteboard is considered as one of instructional materials. It is an essential classroom tool that allows teachers to accommodate students' all learning styles. And it is also useful if you are going to post photographs or images. I've also prepared PowerPoint. So appropriate use of PowerPoint can enhance the teaching and learning experience by the staff and the students. It provides encouragement and support to staff by facilitating the structuring of a presentation in a professional manner. And lastly is mystery box. Mystery box is important to improve students' abilities to listen to others, to recall information, ask for forceful questions, to classify items by class, to make inference, to synthesize information, and lastly, to draw conclusions. I think that will be all for this video. We have a lot of approaches to helping students to remember, to integrate, and to apply what they learn. That is the value of instructional materials. And the more you engage students using instructional materials, the better the experience. Learning is best when we have ways to reinforce what we learn. It can be repetition, the body movements, notes, and etc. But ideally, we want students to remember, to integrate, and apply what they learn. And I hope that these 7 instructional materials that I've shared to you could be helpful to future educators in teaching. And I hope also that they will prepare an engaging instructional materials so that the children or the pupils could learn the lesson effectively. Thank you for sparing time with me. This is again Hazel. God bless us all.